Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a delicious and healthy eggplant lasagna. It's rich, flavorful and perfect for dinner table. Let's make it together. First, peel the eggplants and slice them into thin sheets, about 1 centimeter thick. Make sure the slices are even so they cook perfectly in the lasagna. Next, line a baking tray with parchment paper and arrange the eggplant slices on it a single layer. This will help them roast evenly in the oven. Now drizzle the eggplant slices with olive oil. Sprinkle with salt and garlic powder. Make sure each slice is evenly coated for the best flavor. Flip the eggplant slices and repeat the seasoning on the other side with olive oil, salt, and garlic powder to ensure even flavor. Once the tray is ready, place in a preheated oven at 118 degrees Celsius and roast the eggplants for about 30 minutes or until they are tender and slightly golden. Meanwhile, chop the onion and saute it in a little olive oil until it becomes soft and fragrant. While the onions are sautéing, check the eggplants in the oven. Once they are tender and cooked through, remove them from the oven and set aside. Return to sautéed onion and add the ground meat. Season with salt, black pepper, and turmeric. Then cook thoroughly while stirring until the meat is browned and flavorful. Next, stir in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste into the meat mixture. This will give it a rich color and enhance the flavor. Now add half a cup of water to the meat mixture to help it blend smoothly and form a consistent sauce. Graze the bottom of your baking dish and start arranging the roasted eggplant slices evenly over it. Now spread a layer of the cooked meat over the eggplants. Sprinkle dried oregano on top. Then add a layer of grated mozzarella cheese. Repeat the layers, eggplants, meat, and cheese until all ingredients are used. Finally, place the layered lasagna in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake until the cheese on top is golden and bubbly, usually about 25 or 30 minutes. While the lasagna is baking, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to My Tasteful Cook for more delicious recipes. With love, from my kitchen to yours. Let's go taste it. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.